All right, we're at the gate. So I guess we just ring the door. Oh, push button to call. Oh, baby. Oh my God. The man himself. Look at this guy. Oh my God.
Let me give you a little tummy tap.
Okay, so we're in Los Angeles. And we're here with Mr. Benny Blanco. Camera days off to do a grill off. So here's the setup. We have 3 grills. We're all gonna be facing back to back. Nobody can look at me. Don't look at me. We're gonna be cooking a fancy steak meal. They're not gonna get any visual explanation, only my voice and, well, their own skill. We're gonna be putting them to test. Benny, camera nays off, and me. So with all that said, let's make this, shall we?
All right, how do I think I'm gonna do? Don't have a lot of competition. Cameron, light work. Look, you're a guy on YouTube. Like, can you do it in real life? Is it all magic of the screen? Is there post work being done? I mean, me, I have no qualifications. I think I'll do good. I think I'm gonna do good. I'm gonna do great.
So, Benny is inside. He's gotta make the puree for us. Benny, it's up to you. I believe in you so much. Papa loves you so much. Coat the bottom of the pan. Medium heat's gonna be perfect.
Great.
You're gonna go ahead and add that sliced shallot that I gave you, and then that sliced garlic as well.
Look, we're stirring.
Wow, it's already up. Look at that.
Oh yeah, this was no joke. I mean, honestly, your chop job wasn't that good. I gotta fix this up.
You're gonna pour that into your left pocket and just let that sit for a few minutes. Is it softened yet, or are you still working on it?
Yeah, we're getting soft.
Add your frozen P-boys in there. Toss those around, get them a little bit hot.
We're tossing.
Hit that with some more salt. We're layering our salt. Lovely. Grab some chicken stock, and remember, always use homemade chicken stock, all right?
Yeah, of course. Man, cooking with you is great. Can we cook every meal together?
I'll be sleeping out here all week long. You just won't know I'm here, but I'm here.
All right, so we're starting to get a little boil going on.
Separate the liquid from the veg. You can use a strainer, or you can just kind of hold the veg back with a spatula. Just the veg into a blender.
We spilled a little bit, but we're okay.
That's normal on this channel. And you're gonna blend just until it starts to vortex.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is a quality blender. Wow!
The sauce, as the chefs say, is the most important part, so.
I think it's good. Should we look?
How's it look? Let's take a look. Is it nice and smooth and emulsified? I think it looks pretty good. You did it. Benny, you did it. Look at that. That's literally perfect. Wait a minute, who is this guy? Oh, baby girl. Ooh, look at that. I think it's great.
Oh, guys, I did it. I spilled my pee-pee. I spilled my pee-pee. This was good. This was a good thing. Time to go home.
Okay, this is gonna be a sad story. I've always been afraid to dance. Never really, I don't know. It was like a deep fear when I was a kid. And then one time I decided to dance, in public that is. It was at prom, and my date made fun of me. She made fun of me, so I never danced again. I love music, I just don't dance.
What do you do? Do you do like a fist pump?
I sway, a head bob, yeah.
Show us a little dance, Josh.
No.
Do your man dance.
No. The room is spinning. I'm like, no.
You have to dance in this video. You gotta face your fear. I need like a real dance. You gotta learn something and face your fear. Go on YouTube, learn one of the TikTok dances.
Oh God.
Learn a TikTok dance.
Into this wall. To me, it's like, I'll stick to cooking.
Nope, you're dancing.
This
video's not coming out unless you dance.
The challenge is, if everybody recreates the dish within a certain marker and it is good, I will dance. All right, we're at our workstation. So first things first, go to your prep areas. You've got a bowl. Grab your snap peas. Place those little men into a bowl. All right, you've got your olive oil. You'll have to open that up. And then go ahead and drizzle your snap peas with olive oil. A little bit of salt. Your pepper.
Still undoing my pepper. Okay, pepper's off.
So I'm gonna take this to my grill, into your grill pan and onto the grill.
The hot side or no?
Hot side. Cool, so those are grilling. Get your radish, and then you're just gonna slice that as thinly as you can. I would just say slice the whole thing. We'll probably use like 3 or 4 of these guys. So Benny, how often do you cook?
Cooking 3 times a day.
Okay, that's more than I expected. That's a lot.
Especially these days, right?
See, that's what I like to hear. This is the time. This is the time to be alive, to really experience a nice meal with the fam. Toss your snap peas around.
How charred do we want our snap peas over here?
A good amount of char is nice, nothing wrong with that. I don't want them like completely black, but little charred spots are nice.
Mine are not too charred at all.
Mine look amazing.
Those are charring, cooking, whatever they're doing. We're gonna get our steak prepped out, so go ahead and open up your lid. Get
Oh.
the steak out of there.
I'm open.
Should have paper towels. You got paper towels?
I have no paper towel. You set me up for disaster again.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, I'm just gonna use the one on the ground. That's what. Yeah, mine's gonna taste great.
So pull the meat out. You're gonna give it one good slap, flat side of your knife. There you go.
Do you like that?
Make sure the steak is nice and dry. I don't want any wet spots at all. Season that guy with salt and pepper generously. All sides. Go generous. Don't be shy. Get yourself a paper towel, or you can spray your grill grates or spray your griddle. Yeah, get a little spray. You got spray.
Okay, we want charred, not too charred. Go into the. I'm gonna put them to the medium side of the grill now.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. That's a smart idea. I got mine on the medium. Mine are cooked. Cool. Drop your meat on.
Hot side.
Hot side. Sear your meat. Press it into those grates. Get some nice color. It's gonna take a little bit. It's a fatty. I like mine medium rare. So I'm cooking this medium rare. Take a little time. How's your snap peas feel? We want them snappy but not mushy. A little bit of give.
I think mine are pretty done.
I'm pulling mine off.
I'm looking at Cam. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't cheat.
I'm just looking. I'm smelling. When do you want us to flip?
Not yet. Probably like 2 minutes, something like that, per side.
I'm waiting for you.
This is all about patience. You know, patience is a virtue. Whoa, no cheating.
What, you think I'm cheating off Cam?
Wow, he threw you under the bus. All right, I'm flipping to one of the sides.
Okay.
Like 90 degrees or 180?
Flip mine over to one of the smaller sides.
Okay.
So 90. Should have a nice crust, Bradley.
Oh, Cam's gonna have such a good crust.
Mine's perfect.
I might rip mine off and finish it off over there. See, once again, you sabotage me by telling me a hotter point was on the other side.
You know, sometimes grill points, they move around.
Okay.
While that's grilling, go back to your station, grab your knife. You should see some chives.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you like that? So just grab about half of those, put them out on your board, and then you're just gonna slice those nice and thin.
Wow, you are way faster than me. It's kind of disgusting.
You don't want them to mismatch, you know? You can put them in a bowl, you can put them back in another container, but we want them set to the side to finish with garnish. How's your steak feeling?
I haven't done a touch test, but
Touch testing, I think I'm still rare.
I don't know what I...
Good. Make sure everything's nice and tidy.
My workstation's clean. I'm a good boy. Now what do we do?
Now we're just waiting. We're waiting for this thing to vibe out.
What was this big garlic for?
Garlic. You shouldn't have garlic.
I have a huge thing of garlic.
Shouldn't have garlic.
Oh, was that just a diversion?
That was a diversion. So we're just grilling it. We're bringing it to medium rare.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm at medium rare already.
You're at medium rare?
I'm following your lead.
I will get your meats ready for when we put together the snap piece, just so we're ready. Get your lemon out.
Okay.
I would get just one cheek off of it. You're gonna take your lemon and just cut a side of it off, not in half. You should have a little bit of lemon left because we're gonna zest the rest of it. So with our steaky, all right, he should be nice and springy colored. Oh yeah, mine's almost there. Turn him over so one of his bigger, sort of more longer flat sides is up. Take about a tablespoon of your butter. Place that on top of the steak. All right, just let that melt on top while it's grilling. Try not to let it fall off. We're gonna let it sort of baste itself.
Oh my God, this is crazy. We're basting.
Okay, so we're getting plates. Cameron, what are you doing? Don't look at me. Look away. Look away. Okay, all right. Every time somebody looks at me, I'm playing the siren. Oh yeah, you look great. You look so good. Nobody's as beautiful as you. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. All right, turn the camera off. Cameron, how are you doing over there, bud? Looks like your aim is just about as good as your steak over there. I'm worried about his steak over there just sitting. I'm pulling my steak.
Yeah, this thing's gotta be close.
Oh, hell yeah. Benny, pull your steak. Steak is off. You got your snappy peas. Are those still warm? Mine are warm.
No butter, right?
Put a little butter on your steak if you want.
A little extra.
Yeah, well, she's rested. Why not? Okay, so the steak is down. We're gonna rest this for 5 minutes. Benny, what's your favorite color?
I'd say purple. Was that a real question?
That's a real question. Why is purple your favorite color?
Maybe because of Prince, the artist.
That's a beautiful story. Cameron, look away. Cameron keeps looking at me, Benny. Next time Cameron looks at me, go tickle him. Okay, so you got your bowl?
I got my bowl.
Cool. Snap peas in the bowl. Are your snap peas warm?
Yes.
Okay, snap peas are very warm.
Snap peas are very warm. That's what we want. We want them hot. You're gonna zest that part of your lemon into your snap peas. So zest is on. Then you're gonna hit it with some salt.
Which salt?
Your kosher salt. Then a cheek of lemon juice. Generous drizzle of olive oil. Stir all that together. You're now dressing snap peas. Taste them. Mine needs a little more salt
Of course it does.
and a little bit more lemon juice. Stir, stir, stir.
Mine needs the same thing.
Take 4 of your plumpest snap peas and you're gonna cut them in half, but you're gonna cut them in half at a diagonal lengthwise. Remember, at a diagonal lengthwise with each of them.
I'm not sure that's what he meant by that, but
If your steak's properly rested, you're then going to cut that steak into nice 1/4-inch slices.
Lengthwise, widthwise, long length?
Long length.
So you want us to cut it as if the long length is the long slice.
Squares, not rectangles.
Okay, okay.
Now then place those slices on a paper towel to drain a little bit so they don't drain on the plate.
I think my grill was a little too hot.
I need a paper towel to sabotage me.
Somebody get this man a paper towel.
I got this. I do need a paper towel. This is too small of a piece.
More paper towels. I flay it out a little bit on the plate, just a touch. You're then going to alternate your snap peas, laying them on top of each other, sort of letting them naturally fall down. Give it a little bit of height, you know, don't be shy.
I'm doing as you said.
Take your sliced radishes and then lay those sort of like standing them up.
On the right or left side, I guess it doesn't matter.
And sort of in a diagonal, let them lay naturally on the peas. Yep, next to the steak. All right, a little bit of chives across the veg, not the steak. Hit the veg, just a touch of olive oil. Take the pea puree. We're gonna make little dots on the steak across the whole steak in just single dot. Oh my God, that is full.
Oh my God, it just shoots out.
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen.
Is yours messing up?
Yeah, it's not supposed to. What did you do to the pea puree? So you're gonna do your best to get dots. At this point, it's every man to himself. Now hit that with a little bit of flaky salt on top of the steak.
This is so bad.
Garnish your steak with micro cilantro and flowers. Get creative. Garnish your steak nicely.
Making a flower out of flowers and radishes.
That's not bad. Look at that.
Now last thing we're gonna do, get your olive oil and just do a nice little ring around your whole plate up. Do what you can.
That just ruined my entire thing. That just ruined it. Oh, didn't he? You saw the before, right? I'm taking the ring out.
Let me know when you're ready to show. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Hold on, I'm taking my ring out that you f***ed up.
I'm not even over there.
No, you're doing it all. What? It's supposed to look like that?
Look at this.
Oh, we all look cute.
Look at these gentlemen all coming together. This looks gorgeous. All right, we got 3 different plates here. That's a medium rare.
We all look great.
I mean, these all look really good to me.
Yeah.
I think we did great. I think this is
Everyone
actually,
looks
I'm
great.
actually really happy.
See, look, that's what happened with the olive oil. You see that?
I like it.
Oh, you liked it like that? I cleaned mine off. Okay, we'll go here first. Tastes terrible. Awful. Yours? Terrible. Cam, on yours, I'm just gonna eat the flour. That's the best part. Let's taste mine. Oh my God, clear winner. Honestly, they all taste identical. By the way, guys, they're all terrible.
Okay, so I'm gonna try mine first. Everything in one bite and just roll it up. Off the top, it tastes exactly like kind of what I expected it. Steak is seasoned nicely, a little over, it's a little closer to medium. That's mine, by the way. The pea puree, perfect. Benny killed it. Everything's seasoned really nicely. I'm happy with it. I mean, I know what mine's gonna taste like. Okay, I'm gonna go for yours next then, Cam. Snap peas look perfect. That's pretty fire. It looks like it might be overdone, but I think it's a combination of the cut, because it's so marbled, perfectly edible. That roasty, unctuous flavor, that's very present in this steak. Benny, looking good. All these look beautiful, by the way. I'm actually kind of upset how well they turned out. I was kind of hoping that they were gonna look bad, but they look actually really good. It's really good.
But it doesn't have the flavor profile.
Are you coaching me through my judging process?
Judge now.
He's coaching me through this.
I know. You can say what you really think.
All 3 of these are actually really close to where I wanted them to be. They're all in the same sort of vicinity. I've noticed that both of you guys had your own way of doing it, and I wouldn't say that one is necessarily better than the other, and that's not a PC answer. Each of these, I think, just have your own influence on them. You executed it beautifully. I have nothing wrong with either of these. We have 2 culinary killers here. You know what? I think my verdict is everybody today. Everybody is a winner.
Of course, and when you turn off the camera, you'll tell us who the real winner is.
We all know that this was a setup from day one. You completely sabotaged me on the meat. You did it on purpose because you knew I was so superior than you as a chef. It's not even my side hustle, it's my hobby that I love to do, and you were so threatened by it that you made my meat medium. You beat my meat.
Okay, so it's a done deal. Benny did a beautiful job. Cameron did a beautiful job. Unfortunately, that means that I have to commit to the dance that Benny said, that if they win, which I don't know that it's a win per se, I think we all win, but if they got close enough to winning, then I would have to dance. So without further ado,